series on 3 things I learned after building my first PC. Third thing is that PCs require maintenance. That is absolutely right. That a lot of people think, hey, PC, build it, forget it. And then what I've done is I actually had my first commission come in here. We did it with Tara. She popped in and we found out that she had cats. And guess what? Her CPU overheated. Yes, there is maintenance that you need to do on a PC, so make sure that you are constantly, at least, once every quarter, opening it up, vacuuming it out, dusting it off, and then just checking your thermals on a consistent basis just to make sure that you are getting cooling that you need to make sure that your PC continues to run at peak performance.